Hey everyone! Ever place an order on Goat and realize your shipping address was wrong? Don't worry, you're not stuck. In this video, I'll walk you through the only working way to fix it quickly. First, open the Goat app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon, then go to shipping address to view your saved details. Unfortunately, Goat doesn't allow you to change the address for an order that's already placed. But here's what you can do. Head to your orders, tap on the incorrect order, cancel it immediately. Now, go back and reorder the item. This time, select or enter the correct shipping address. This method is the fastest and most reliable fix. And that's how you change your shipping address on Goat the right way. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.